Hey everyone, it's Crafty Crochet Lady here, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy crochet scrunchie. Now, it's really simple. You just take a regular ponytail holder like this one, and we are just going to be making some single and double crochets all around the edges. So for the one that I made here, this one, I'm going to be using Hobby Lobby's I Love This Yarn in the color Christmas. And these are really great for last minute gifts or stocking stuffers or just anything, any holiday or occasion you can think of. You can make them in all different colors to match your outfits. And I'll show you how it's done. So first we are going to take our yarn and make a slip knot, and then we will take our ponytail holder, put our crochet hook through the ponytail holder, and make sure that our yarn goes around and through the slip knot so that it is attached to our ponytail holder. The first thing we'll do is chain one, and then we will be making single crochets all the way around. And just as a quick reminder for you, for a single crochet, we're just going to go through our ponytail holder, take our hook and pull through the yarn, and take the hook, pull the yarn around the hook and through those two loops. So I will be doing the single crochet all the way around, and I will meet you back here. Okay, so I am back and I have done my single crochets all the way around the ponytail holder. And the next thing we'll do is chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And we will make our double crochet into the next stitch, and we will chain 1 and double crochet into that same stitch. And that is what we will do all the way around. That's what gives the scrunchie that scrunched look, is having the 2 double crochets in the same stitch. So I will chain 1 and double crochet into the next one, chain 1 and double crochet into that same stitch. Alright, so I'll show you guys that one more time. We'll always chain 1 in between stitches. So we'll chain 1 and then double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1 and double crochet again. So that is really all there is to it for these crochet scrunchies. So as I said earlier, they're really easy and quick to make, so you can make a whole bunch of them for yourself or to give to other people. And also you can just customize them in any kind of colors you want for any holidays or to match your outfits. So at the end of your round of double crochet and chain 1s, you will have something like this. And as I said, they are fun and easy to make, and you can make a whole bunch for family and friends in any color combination you'd like. So if you like what you saw, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.